Hello everyone. We're gonna be making a Lego turtle. So first you need these two pieces. Then you need this piece. And clip it onto here like this. And then have the other go on like this. That's the shell of the turtle. Then you need this piece and put it right in the middle. Then you need this piece and put it right by it, like this. Now you need this piece. It doesn't have to be the exact color, but this piece has to be this color, and the rest of the pieces have to be that color. But this piece doesn't have to be this color. Put it right here. Then put this one right here. Then put this one right right here. And this is what we've got so far. Then put this one right here. Then put this one right here. And put this one right here. And this is and this is what we've got. See you next time.